In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create clickable in-text links in your PDF that open attached PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll be able to seamlessly connect related documents inside a single PDF, making your work more interactive and easy to navigate. Whether you're building training manuals, technical documentation, or reports, this skill can really level up your digital documents. So let's dive right in. First, before we can make an in-text link, it's essential to actually attach your target PDF file to your main PDF. This way, everything stays bundled together, like keeping bonus materials in a folder that travels with your primary document, perfect for sharing or archiving. Start by opening your main PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation pane. It's likely you'll spot a paperclip icon. That's your attachments panel. Click it, and you'll see the panel expand. To add your PDF attachment, find the little paperclip with a plus sign. This is the Add button. Click that, then browse to select your target PDF and confirm the choice. The file is now embedded in your main PDF, stored reliably for later access. Remember to save your document. This step ensures your attachment is sealed into place. I know it can be easy to forget the Save button in the excitement of getting things done, but trust me, saving now avoids headaches later if you need to share or come back to your work. With your PDF attached, we can move on to making your in-text link, which turns your chosen text into a gateway straight to the attached document. Navigate to the Tools tab in Adobe Acrobat and select Edit PDF. This opens up the editing toolbar you'll need. In that toolbar, find and click on Link. Then choose Add or Edit Link. Next, you'll use your mouse to drag a rectangle around the text you want as your link. Think carefully about what you want to highlight for your readers. Maybe it's a reference, a resource, or an appendix. The anchor text should make it clear what your link points to. Once you draw your rectangle, a Create Link dialog box pops up. Under Link Appearance, you can choose how obvious the link looks. If you want a polished finish, I'd suggest Invisible Rectangle. The link isn't visually distracting, but it's still active for readers who click. Of course, feel free to play with line styles and colors if you want links to stand out. Now, under Link Action, select Go to a Page View. This part is crucial. It lets your link target not just a document, but a precisely chosen location and view in your attached PDF. Hit Next, and a floating dialog called Create Go to View appears. Keep it open. While that's up, head back to your Attachments panel and double-click the PDF you attached. Acrobat opens it in a new tab. This is your chance to scroll and zoom to exactly where you want viewers to land when they click your link. If it's a specific diagram or paragraph, make sure it's clearly visible. Once you've set the perfect view, click Set Link in the floating dialog box. Return to your main document, exit the editing toolbar, and before you wrap up, it's smart to test your link. Choose the Hand tool, which looks like a little palm, and click your anchor text. Your attachment should pop open at the exact spot you set. If it's not quite right, you can tweak and repeat the last few steps. And don't forget, save your PDF again to lock in all those changes. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, ask any questions down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Happy PDF linking!